Hello, Shannon and the rest of the SERVPRO of Southeast Nashville team. I reached out earlier and I said that I was going to be sending out this screencast, so here it is. I'm going to make it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site a little bit, your top competitor's site a little bit, and I'm just going to give you guys actually 3 free ways that you can use today to start bringing in traffic to your site. So, if you guys like what you see and you want to possibly team up, then please email me back or I will give you my my phone number at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So right here we have your guys' site, your homepage. And so I know all the SERVPRO sites look the same. The design is good. And you guys have some interlinking, which is good too. But I see you guys don't have a lot of content. I actually did a word counter search on this site, and you guys have 655 words on the homepage. And you're going to want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 just on the homepage. So Google takes in about 200 different factors when they're looking for where to rank a site. And one of the big ones they look at is content. So you want to have a lot of good quality educational content because they're basically going to read through this and they're going to determine whether or not this content gives their users enough information to find the information or the service that they are looking for. So we definitely want to spruce up the content and we want to put some more relevant high traffic keywords into it. So number one suggestion is definitely more quality content. Go over to Google, and the keyword I'm going to be using for this video is mold remediation Nashville. This is a great keyword. It actually brings in 500 searches per month. So you definitely would like to be ranked for something like this. So typically, you're going to see ads at the top of the page. Ads are a good way to kind of start getting some leads while your SEO is warming up, but it's definitely not the optimal way. Not a lot of people click on those as much. So right below where the ads would be at the top of the page here, we have our Google Map Pack. And so you really want to be in the top 3 here. You used to only have to be top 5, but they switched up the algorithm. So now you have to be top 3 to get on the front page. That's definitely a place you want to be. A lot of people will just click what they see first. And the way you do that is going to be by getting high quality citations. And so a citation is basically just when your business and business info is listed among different directories on the web. So you want good high quality ones. So think like Yellow Pages and Yext and Yelp. So we'd want to get a lot of those so you can rank up here. Also, as you can see, all these guys have a good amount of good reviews as well. So that's something you definitely want to pay attention to. So first, content, second, citations, and then lastly here, which is definitely the most important, are the organic search results. So you really, really, really want to be ranked here because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they search something, they actually end up clicking on one of these. And obviously, the more towards the top of the page you are, the better. And it's a substantial number as well. So you definitely want to be at the top. So we can take a look at this guy who's at the top, because these kind of directories, they don't really count for the organic search results. So if we look through here, they have a good looking site, but they actually have, I went through their site earlier as well, and they have very little content. They only have 500 words actually. So this would be a very, very site to beat out with content. Very, very easy. As you can see, they do have a lot of like keywords and interlinking, so that's definitely good for them. So we would want to do that for your site as well, but this would be a very easy site to beat out. And so how you get up here on the top organic search results is a thing called backlinks. And so backlinks are basically just a shout out from another website or business. And so the web's made up of businesses linking businesses and websites linking websites. So you want to have really high quality backlinks from trusted, high-powered sites that are relevant to your business. So you want to be referred to from a trusted and popular plumber or realtor in your area versus like a Pizza Hut or a McDonald's or something, because that wouldn't be relevant to you guys. So I use this site over here, which is called ahrefs.com. If you guys want to try doing this for yourself in the future, I would definitely suggest getting this tool. This is around $400 a month, but it gives you a lot of good insight. So I'm looking at the guys that we were just checking out before. You can see they have only 14 domains and 31 backlinks. Over here, they have 68 organic keywords. So we can click on those. And as you can see, they've ranked for a lot of good keywords. So they have a lot of good keywords here. You can tell because they have a high volume, like mold remediation Nashville 500. So they have some really good ones. And they're ranked pretty highly on that as well. So that's probably why, they're at the top. They just use the right keywords. If we take a look at your guys' site, so you guys actually have more backlinks from more domains. But if we take a look at your keywords here, you guys are only pretty much ranked for like your own name. So if no one knows about you already, then it's going to be harder for them to find you. But for instance, also, I know you guys do more than mold remediation, so we'd want to be looking at all of your competitors for all of the different keywords that you would want to rank for that bring in a lot of volume. And so if we go back to this guy, you would also want to get more backlinks too, so we could actually go and look at their backlinks. And we can see which ones have a high DR score, and we can go after those backlinks and try and snag them for your site as well. And like I said, we'd want to do that for every competitor for all of the keywords that you would want to rank for. So that's pretty much what I have for you today. To recap, basically, we want to get more high quality content on your site with the right keywords. And number 2, we want to get more citations to get you guys on that map pack. And then lastly, we want to get more high powered, relevant backlinks. So if you guys liked this video and you found it useful, then that makes me happy, whether you decide to work with me or not. If you do want to work with me, please email me back or you can give me a call. My number is going to be 714-975-5909. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.